I don't believe we've met. No. Stop smiling. I'm sorry. Mark, I'm not sorry. I am sorry. Again, the smiling. Mary, I'm so sorry. Mary! Too loud. I'm so sorry. Your son, dog, has died. Son. Yes, your son's died, dog. Mark, your dog has. Finish the sentence. Funny story, your dog has. No, it's very serious. It's not funny, but your dog is dead.
Is everything okay in there, officer? Your tea's getting cold.
Yes, all right, thank you. Just coming. Mark.
Marie.
Ah. Mary.
Marie.
Mary.
Marie.
Marie. Ah! Mary.
Marie.
I'm so sorry. Your dog has died, son.
I don't have a dog.
Not anymore, no.
No, I've never had a dog.
Is there a mark in the house?
No.
That has gone cold, I'm afraid.
Why are you here?
Because your dog...
I told you I don't have a dog.
Then why would I be here?
I don't know. I think you should probably leave.
Right. Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. Bye. The dog collar.
I'm a vicar.
Right, yes. Of course. And the...
Communion wine.
Brilliant. Okay, cheerio.